This is the lecture for Sartre's Existentialism is a Humanism, the first of the two readings that we have, pages 17 through whatever. So only one topic. He says on page 18, this contend the communists is primarily because we base our doctrine on pure subjectivity, that is, on the Cartesian I think, on the very moment in which man fully comprehends his isolation, rendering us incapable of reestablishing solidarity with those who exist outside of the self, and who are inaccessible to us through the cogito. So this reference to the cogito and to the Cartesian, I think, is from the philosopher Descartes' kind of famous saying, I think, therefore I am. He wrote it in Latin, cogito ergo sum. And the thought in Descartes is that one thing you can be absolutely certain of is that you exist, because somebody has to be thinking your thoughts. Clearly, you're thinking your thoughts, and if you're thinking your thoughts, it's got to be somebody doing that. It can't be nobody. And so, if you are thinking, then you exist. And notice that doesn't get you a lot. It doesn't get you the idea that stuff outside of you exists. It doesn't get you the idea that other people exist. It only gets you the idea that you exist. And it gets you it kind of subjectively. You exist because you're thinking your thoughts. So the fact that you exist is something that you can know via sort of subjective introspection. And you can't, at least just from that, maybe you can't get outside stuff. And so this is just to explain what the cogito means and give a little background for that. And yeah, that's good enough.